Yes. So we found this to occur more frequently than we thought. And this was actually like a very large risk issue, right? People were doing chargebacks because they didn't understand where these purchases came from, especially on like Android devices and tablets. So what the risk team has actually done is now they're doing challenges. So when they think that an order like doesn't follow some sort of like your typical purchases or something, right? Like, oh, you buy this stuff online, you buy these applications, maybe these movies, and one day you buy like some My Little Pony thing within this application, they'll kind of flag that, and then before the purchase can complete, we challenge for like some sort of credentials, like either your password or some sort of PIN. And that's being built right now, and we actually have a Google Payments Developers Live session where we interviewed the risk engine product manager about more information about the risk engine. So you can check that out if you want.
Can you turn it all the time so that you have to put it after?
Every time? So that's difficult because we're kind of like going for simplicity, and then if we challenge you for the password every time, it's going to prevent some purchases from completing. Right? So it's a gray line, it's a fine line, but you have to err on one side or the other. Any other questions?
Can you talk about regional conversion rates in other countries, the currency conversion?
The currency, so we use the Forex rate. We check the Forex rate multiple times a day, and that's the rate that you get. In terms of the flat fees, we actually have an FAQ online that'll go over the flat fees assessment. Anything else? Yes?
So, I'm not very up to date on Google Wallet, so this question might be out of date, but have you thought of anything about the really paranoid ones like me who really don't want to put their credit card information and
don't want to
Google?
So you don't want to store credit card information in Google, or you don't want to enter your credit card information?
Enter my card. So for example, Amazon gives you the option of buying their own card from like store. You can purchase $100 worth of Amazon card.
So something like a stored value card, and then using that to redeem stuff online.
Instead of using my own credit card information.
So something like, I mean, we've definitely thought about gift cards and stuff, right, which would serve similar functions. Again, I can't really speculate on what we will and we will develop or launch. Any other questions? Yes?
So I guess this assumes that your buyers are already registered Google users?
So to get the biggest benefit, yes, you would want your buyers to be registered Google users. But even if they aren't, I mean, signing up would only be 5. You have to enter 5 pieces of information in. So it's still really simplistic.
So the 5 pieces would create a user, that's not just 1.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Would they need to buy any certificate from external vendor?
Not right now, because we aren't passing any PI, personally identifiable information. You don't need an SSL certificate for Google Wallet with digital goods. Anything else? Yeah.
Does the customer get a notification back, right? Usually when you buy something in an online store, you get an email to confirm that you bought that.
Yes, you'll get an email to confirm that you bought that, but because it is digital, like you should actually deliver the goods as soon as the payment is confirmed. Any other questions?
I'm sorry if I insist, but I think that the idea of PayPal is really powerful because I may sell my old laptop. I got $200 there somewhere in the cloud, and then I find a book or something that I'd like to buy, and boom. Why don't you guys do something similar?
Thank you for your feedback. I mean, maybe we will.
No, I mean,
stay tuned.
Why should I use this instead of PayPal? Because, you know, I mean,
yeah, I know. I understand both aspects of it. I can't really get into anything with what we're doing in the future just yet, but stay tuned to our blog. Come join us on Google Developers Payments Live. They changed the name on me, so I'm not quite sure what it's like completely called anymore. And then we will try to keep you as well informed as we can. Cool. With that, thanks for your time.